This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 34H5 is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a stone interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2023 Forest River Georgetown 5 Series GT5 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.